If you're a Sony fan or just love groundbreaking camera tech, this one's going to blow your mind. Today, we're diving deep into the latest leaks and rumors about the upcoming Sony A7 V, the camera that might make you want to start saving right now. Let's talk specs, features, and that game-changing autofocus system that could redefine mirrorless photography. Alright, let's get straight to the point. The Sony A7 V is not just an upgrade. It's a reimagination of what a hybrid camera can do. The leaks suggest that Sony is pushing boundaries with this release, starting with a 33-megapixel sensor. On paper, that might sound familiar, but here's the kicker. It's a newly developed Exmor-R CMOS sensor paired with the Bion's XR processor and an AI chip borrowed from the flagship A9 Mark III. That's a trifecta of tech designed to deliver jaw-dropping performance. Imagine this. You're shooting a wedding in a dimly lit church. The bride steps into the spotlight, and your camera's AI instantly locks onto her face, tracking her every move flawlessly, even through dramatic lighting changes. With this new sensor, you're getting not just stunning resolution, but incredible dynamic range and low-light performance. Clean shadows, perfect highlights, Sony's color science at its finest. Now, let's talk about the real game changer, AI-based autofocus. This isn't just about tracking faces or eyes, it's about anticipating movement. Picture this, you're at a high-stakes soccer match. The star striker breaks away, weaving through defenders. The A7 V's AI doesn't just keep up, it predicts where they'll move next, maintaining tack-sharp focus even through a chaotic scene. This is the kind of innovation that makes other autofocus systems feel ancient. Sports photographers, wildlife enthusiasts, this one's for you. Another upgrade that caught my eye, pun intended, is the new 5.76 million dot OLED electronic viewfinder. If you've been using the A7 IV's 3.68 million dot viewfinder, this is going to feel like stepping into a whole new world. It's brighter, sharper, and gives you an immersive shooting experience that professionals will appreciate. But here's the cherry on top. This isn't just about resolution. The viewfinder is optimized for high-speed shooting, delivering up to 10 frames per second with full autofocus tracking in both mechanical and electronic shutter modes. And yes, you can shoot compressed RAW or JPEG at these speeds without any hiccups. Sony hasn't forgotten about video creators either. The A7 V will reportedly offer 4K at 60 FPS with 10-bit 422 color depth. That means pro-level flexibility in post-production. Sony's hybrid shooting ecosystem is all about seamless transitions. Whether you're capturing stills or shooting cinematic footage, you'll feel right at home. What's more, the camera is rumored to have enhanced connectivity options, signaling Sony's long-term vision for a future where cameras integrate seamlessly with professional workflows and cloud-based editing. Now let's touch on the physical design. The A7 V is said to borrow some ergonomic improvements from the flagship A9 Mark III. The grip is more substantial, and button placement has been rethought to cater to professionals. The body is still weather-sealed and rugged enough for outdoor adventures, but it's clear Sony is prioritizing handling and usability here. Here's where it gets interesting. Multiple sources suggest the A7 V will land in the mid-$2,000 range. For the tech it's packing, that's an incredibly competitive price point. As for the release date, the most reliable leaks point to April 2025, though we might see delays pushing it to October. Either way, it's coming soon, and it's going to be worth the wait. The Sony A7 V isn't just another camera in the lineup. It's a bold statement. With AI-driven autofocus, enhanced processing power, pro-level video features, and that gorgeous new viewfinder, it's clear that Sony is not just updating their A7 series. They're shaping the future of hybrid photography. If these leaks hold true, the A7 V might just be the most significant mirrorless camera release of 2025. Whether you're a professional or an enthusiast, this is a camera that could genuinely elevate your craft. What do you think? Are these features enough to make you upgrade? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on the A7 V or other upcoming tech.